Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a cool little trick to make some wild, funky glitch sounds out of a seemingly normal drum loop. So here's a little drum loop I drug in here. And here's what we're going to probably get out of that. Wild, huh? We might try all these different drum loops that I have in here. See what different things we can come up with. But we're going to use this one to kind of try and recreate this. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. First, we are going to put on a gate. I'll turn this loop on. Now we're going to turn our hold all the way down, the release all the way down, and the floor all the way down. For now, we might tweak it later. Go with your threshold and find the sweet spot where it's just kind of catching just little tips of the peaks. Something like that. Make sure warp is on. Yeah. Okay, and that's sounding pretty cool. Just to put a little space to it, we're going to put just a tiny little bit of reverb on it. And then to add a little more of a glitchiness to it, we'll put a touch of redux on it, just a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to throw a phaser before the gate. Switch it to space mode. And we're going to turn the LFO and S&H, we'll do all the way up. We'll turn the shape on the crazy mode all the way down here. Now you might have to turn your threshold down a touch. You can mess with the attack also. Mess with the rate. Okay. And then we're going to put a frequency shifter, maybe before that even, and turn its LFO on. Turn the width up on both. And then within your sample, try putting it on beats mode. Maybe mess with some stuff in here, and transpose it and see what you get. You may have to go in and mess with your threshold a little bit. This is where you can get, you know, if you have a certain song you're working on and you know you need a certain kind of pace of some sort of this, you can get crazy with it, get customizable with it. Let's hear what this one sounds like. Turn the poles up. And turn the wet down a little bit on the phaser if you want more of the original sound coming through. And same with the frequency. Let's hear if I got very close. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, you can really try your own techniques. It's a fun little trick. Sometimes you come up with some really cool stuff, and I mean, you can take it even further. You could try different effects on it. It might be cool to throw on an auto pan, and you know, so you have some stereo panning things going on. Get even more glitchy. Yeah, and then you know, you can resample that and then save it into your stuff. Glitch loop. Oh. Glitch loop. Just save it somewhere and come back to it later. You never know. It can be very fun. Well, I hope you guys can use this trick and hope it inspired you. Maybe you can make something even cooler out of this than I did. You never know. Well, thanks, guys. And that was a quick tip.